Being in the industry for over 40 years and working as an industry consultant, I've seen many body shops that have struggled to reduce their cycle time without the need to employ more staff. Combine this with the pressures of the work provider along with the reduced profit margins, and the focus point came back to production efficiency. Production efficiency to reduce cycle time, reduce stress, creates profit. This is why we came up with Planning Plus software.
Over the years, running a body shop has become harder and harder. The only thing going up is stress, and unfortunately our net profits were going down. We realised that we need to find a system to put into our shop to help organise our workflow. When we heard about Planning Plus and the success that Planning Plus was having with their customers' efficiencies, we decided to give them a go. Since implementing Planning Plus, our efficiency has gone up over 25% and it has become the heartbeat of our business. When we first installed Planning Plus, we were producing 40 vehicles a week with the vision of producing 75 vehicles a week.
Our motto behind Planning Plus software is fix more cars faster. Years of industry experience and knowledge has led to making this a reality for our customers. Recently we surveyed our client base and we found on average that they had improved their efficiencies by 17.5%. For any business owner, that's life-changing.
Yes, well, I was introduced to Planning Plus by my son Trent, who came on board some years ago now, Gavin, with this idea that we didn't really know where everything was anymore because we were growing so rapidly. And he said, I've got a hold of this system called Planning Plus. He's looked at it and studied it and said, we've got to look into this because this is futuristic. This is good for our business. So, and the rest is really history. We closed the book-in diary, put the pens in the top drawer and went electronic. Best thing we have ever done to this business, because our hands are on every car from behind our desk.
The things I love about Planning Plus is the high visual planning board, which allows me to plan the work with a simple drag and drop. I clearly see where production is at any given time and what the technicians are working on. The technicians also find it really easy to follow, which enables them to power through their day.
I'm not very computer savvy, and when I found out we were getting a program to run the workshop, I was a bit worried, but after we first started using it, I realised it was actually really easy to use. Things became a lot clearer on what we need to get done, and the communication between the office and the workshop was just greatly improved. And it's really good coming to work every day with a clear direction of what needs to be done.